So let's get into the Intense 5. Ashanti and Keisha Cole versus. Boy, first of all, Keisha Cole was late and she never apologized. And I mean, well late. The chair did empty for a very good while.
Like hour and a half.
The chair did empty and Ashanti was trying to carry the light.
Yo, Ashanti gets MVP.
Then she was drinking like she was dehydrated. Girl, the audio wasn't great at all and the vibe was kind of blah. I think we need to show them again how it's done. I was actually excited and then when
I was like,
I open the light and I see an empty chair. I say, all right, let me give Keisha some time. I open it again, I still see the empty chair. Right, Ashanti, I do some big ups.
You know, so honestly, I think that people never remember actually. So Ashanti have so much hits.
She has
and
so
then
many.
Ashanti has sing the song them where she should have actually sing for people like the one with J-Lo and Ja Rule and Fabulous and Tammy. So everybody's like, really Ashanti song. So people probably never remember that Ashanti had so many hits, and of course Keisha came with the vocals, but MVP I think went to Ashanti.
For sure.
Yeah.
Girl, you held it down for an hour and a half.
Yeah. Shenseea unfollowed Spice on Instagram after she posted that Jada is the only female artist to ever tag her and say she learned the craft from her. Of course, social media workers went into Shenseea's Instagram and found posts made by Shenseea where she was bigging up Spice. Boy, I thought 2021 was going to be mix-up free, but boy, look here now, man. Oh, and by the way, Ramesh hired 2 former Team Spice dancers. Are we trying to prove a point here? We're trying to prove a point. Well, let's see how this goes.
So we know that usually at funerals, people sing Amazing Grace, Wind Beneath My Wings, songs like that, you know? Not Glimity in My Woohoo. Well, Lady Anne thought it was a good idea to sing Sister Charmaine's big hit at her funeral. The pastor looks like he didn't know what to do, but Lady Anne said she knows that Sister Charmaine would have enjoyed it. That's right, Lady Anne.
Boy, nobody never know what to do. Not even us on Instagram or watch never know what to do. I'm sure Lil Wayne had his bags packed from November. He was one of the rappers pardoned by former President Trump a few hours before he left office. Let's hope he can stay out of prison this time.
And finally holding the spot this week, the breakup that no one saw coming. Krystal and Beenie. The couple announced their split in their own ways via social media. One got a lot of support while the other not so much. Anyways, we wish them the best.
Yep.
That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Follow us on TVJ Intense for everything entertainment and more.